A 200 megapixel camera and a 6600 mAh battery at a low price sounds too good to be true, right? Here's what they're not telling you about Infinix's latest Smart 10 5G, a budget smartphone that's stirring up the industry with flagship-level features. So, the smartphone world is buzzing with the news. Infinix is about to unleash the Smart 10 5G, and it's not holding back. A 200 megapixel camera, 120 Hz refresh rate, a gigantic battery, and all for a price that's shaking up competitors. But there's a catch. As we dive deeper, you'll discover if this smartphone lives up to the hype or if it's just another marketing gimmick. We've all been there, searching for a phone that promises big features without the big price, but finding that balance is rare. High-end features typically come with a premium price, and budget phones often mean sacrificing camera quality, battery life, or performance. The Infinix Smart 10 5G claims to offer it all: a premium camera, powerful battery, solid performance, and at an affordable price. So, is this the budget-friendly flagship killer we've been waiting for? Let's start with the display. The Infinix Smart 10 5G isn't playing around here. Imagine a massive 6.8-inch punch-hole display stretching edge to edge, offering a highly immersive experience. This screen runs at a smooth 120 Hz refresh rate, making everything from scrolling to gaming buttery smooth. The display resolution hits a crisp 1080 by 2310 pixels, so whether you're watching videos or editing photos, expect a sharp, vibrant picture. And there's more: security is right at your fingertips with a built-in fingerprint sensor that's both fast and secure. And to keep everything running smoothly, Infinix has equipped this model with the Snapdragon 4 chipset, promising reliability without the high-end price tag. And now, let's talk about that jaw-dropping camera setup. The Smart 10 5G leads with a 200MP main sensor. Yes, you heard that right, 200 megapixels. This isn't just for show, it captures incredible detail and clarity, giving even some flagship cameras a run for their money. Supporting this primary sensor is a 32MP ultra-wide lens, perfect for group shots and landscape photos, plus a 12MP telephoto lens to get those zoomed-in shots without sacrificing quality. Selfie enthusiasts aren't left out either. Front-facing 50MP camera is designed to capture crisp and vibrant selfies, so you don't have to worry about grainy photos even in low-light settings. And for the content creators out there, the HD video recording with 20x zoom allows you to capture moments in stunning detail. Imagine being able to zoom into far-off subjects and still see them clearly. This feature alone makes the Smart 10 5G a compelling option for photography lovers on a budget. A powerful smartphone isn't worth much if it dies by noon, right? Infinix took note and packed a massive 6600 mAh battery into the Smart 10 5G. This isn't just a large number on paper, it translates into real-world usage. For the average user, this battery could easily last a full day with moderate to heavy usage. But that's not all. Infinix has included 80W fast charging technology, which means you can go from 0 to fully charged in just about 50 minutes. Imagine being able to juice up your phone over breakfast or while you get ready for the day and knowing it's good to go. It's these little conveniences that make a big difference, especially for heavy users who need reliable battery life without constantly hunting for a charger. When it comes to storage and RAM, Infinix offers options that cover a wide range of needs. You can go with the standard 8GB RAM model with either 128GB or 256GB storage, or opt for the premium 12GB RAM version with 256GB storage. These options mean you're not forced to compromise on storage or performance, even at a lower price point. Whether you're a gamer needing more RAM or a casual user looking for storage space for photos and apps, the Smart 10 5G's configurations are flexible enough to meet your needs. And let's be real, having enough RAM and storage in a phone can make all the difference between a smooth experience and a frustrating one. Now, here's where the Infinix Smart 10 5G really turns heads: its price. Typically, when we see specs like these, massive cameras, huge battery, high refresh rate display, and solid performance, we're looking at phones that cost a small fortune. But Infinix is set to price the Smart 10 5G at a surprisingly affordable rate, putting it within reach of more consumers. Moreover, there are convenient EMI options that start at just 6,000 Indian rupees, making it even easier for users to get their hands on this device. For anyone who has been wanting a powerful, feature-rich smartphone without the flagship price, the Smart 10 5G might just be the answer. So, is the Infinix Smart 10 5G truly the budget-friendly powerhouse it promises to be? Based on the specs and early performance impressions, it's clear that this device is no ordinary budget phone. From its 200MP camera to its powerful battery and fast charging, Infinix has packed in features that genuinely deliver value. If you've been holding out for a budget phone with premium features, this could very well be your answer. Want to see more in-depth reviews of the latest gadgets? Subscribe to the channel or check out our next video for more smartphone